today I'm going to be reviewing Jordan Mackey's Make Money on YouTube Made Easy course, which came out last year in 2018 and has been completely revamped and pretty much all re-recorded for no charge for the students who are in the course for 2019. I believe it's the Buy 9 to 5 Facebook group. I honestly don't remember, but you can join those groups and there's like thousands of people in there that you can talk to and network with who are also doing the same thing that you are, and you can honestly get a lot of help in there. And also you get access to his email where you can personally email him. I've done this myself and I have gotten responses pretty fast, so it's not like you're gonna like send him an email and you have to wait like weeks. I mean, you'll get a response pretty quickly, but between October to December I already got to the amount of watch time and subscribers that I needed, and that was it. And if it wasn't for me watching Jordan's course, I wouldn't have gotten there. So shout out to Jordan. Before I even created that channel, I created like a Fortnite compilation channel and a few other channels, and they were just a big failure and they never went anywhere. And I tried to find ways to grow a YouTube channel, and that's when I stumbled upon Buy 9 to 5, started watching his videos, and I'm the kind of person where I want to make sure they're legit for a little while before I invest any money in their course. Decided to buy the course, bought the course, and I am not disappointed. It's definitely worth the money. And this right here is pretty much like one of the meat and potatoes, I like to call it. You'll pretty much learn like how exactly this business model works, why it works, and how Jordan's used it to make over thousands and thousands of dollars monthly doing this exact business model. And this below is a case study, which is nice because, you know, a lot of people don't really show how other people are doing it, or if other people are doing it. Jordan will go through other YouTube channels that are showing ads on their videos and are making money monthly doing the strategies that he teaches below. And you know, he shows multiple different strategies, and he even shows his own strategies and his own channels, which is nice. Module 3, this is a big one here, which a lot of them are in my opinion, but this is one of the big ones. This pretty much goes over the overview of how the monetization process works, what to expect, how long it takes, what to do if you don't get approved, and then some. And then there's pretty much 3 methods here covered that show you how you can just get approved quickly instead of having to wait, you know, however long it takes to get there. This honestly is, these next modules alone are worth the price of the course in my opinion. So pretty much here you're going to be shown how to come up with a niche of your own, case studies of people who have used similar niches and niches of their own, who also post videos, and you know how their channels works and why everything works and how you can do the same thing. He talks about like how you can find certain videos and why you should stay away from other videos, and he tells you how to do that with any niche, no matter what it is, whether it's competitive or not competitive. He tells you pretty much how to find videos no matter what, and the right ones to find. And he also goes in depth on different ways you can find these videos, little tips and tricks that I honestly haven't been able to find anywhere else. And he clarifies it, and again telling you why it works and how it works, and giving you examples of how it works. You know, what I like about this course is he pretty much backs up everything that he's talking about. He'll pretty much say, you know, here's how to do A, B, and C, and then here's why it works, and here's how it works. And you know, I'm not just, you know, talking, you know, I'm actually showing you why and how. And you know, I didn't really care about the thumbnails. I thought, oh well, I'll just put a picture of me shooting somebody and no big deal, and that would be good enough. But it's not. Like, having the right title and the right thumbnail and the right pretty much tags, everything, like everything really matters a whole lot. It's not just one piece. It's like these are like all the pieces of the puzzle that come together to make your one video like shine and do better than everybody else's. And he discusses why that's important, and with all these different things, he gives you all the methods that show you how to have people find your videos. And honestly, some of these tactics, they might seem minimal or they might seem like a lot, but I never thought that they would actually work. Like some of the littlest things, they help grow your channel like no big deal. And I never thought that they would. And I thought, oh, none of the stuff would really matter once I saw it. But then once I started applying it, it made a big difference. Different ways to find tags of your competitors, secrets to making tags under videos that nobody else has shown. And he also, deep dives into all of that, like in depth with various niches and how it can be used to rank your videos. And I honestly thought this was very, very important in my opinion, and helped me a lot with growing my own channel. But, why this is in the thumbnail, why this thumbnail works better than others, it tells you all that stuff, and it's honestly like super, super crucial, more than like anything in my opinion, besides like titles and tags. But I think it's very important. They're all important, but I think this is one of the very, very crucial things that you need to pay attention to, and is definitely worth the money of the course with one of these sections here alone. This is how to deal with copyright strikes, which I've had to deal with on my own. This definitely helped me out a ton, because I didn't know beforehand, and I couldn't find anything else about it until I watched this course. If you're on the fence about how to grow a YouTube channel, or you want to grow a YouTube channel, and you have tried to grow a YouTube channel in the past and you just haven't been able to, I highly recommend this course. Like I said, I watched Jordan, his Buy 9 to 5 channel, for at least a couple months, and I kept seeing his course advertised, and I'm like, I don't know, there's a lot of people out there that are trying to push, YouTube courses, and, why is this guy any different? Yeah, he shows, how he makes money and all that stuff, but why does that matter to me? Well, I bought the course and gave it a shot, and I gotta say that Jordan's stuff is legit. It's up to date. He puts a lot of effort and time into what he's showing you. And, if you, like I said, want to grow a YouTube channel and you want to have some success with it and actually have all the updated material that you need to be successful, I highly recommend you buying this course. It's definitely been worth the money, and you won't regret buying it.